Hello, I am Dr. S. Padmapriya speaking to you. I am an academician and author. मैं एक अध्यापक हूँ और एक लेखक भी. मेरा नाम पद्मप्रिया है. आज मैं एक बहुत मुख्य विषय के बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ. वो है हैदराबाद सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी का प्रॉब्लम. आपको पता है कि there is a lot of bulldozer action which is taking place on the campus. That campus is home to many different varieties of flora and fauna. We know that Hyderabad Central Varsity or Central University is the home of different, more than 400 varieties of flora and fauna, including peacocks and deer. So when there's so much of ecological important things to be protected, ecology is to be protected, I do not understand as to why the state government of Telangana is not understanding the sufferings of the students. मैं खुद education field में हूँ, and I was a good student too during my school days and college days. I know the value of studying in a vibrant environment where there is emphasis not just on academics, but also there is a lot of emphasis given on the ecology. Only when a student studies in a good atmosphere, where there are lovely teachers, good friends, and most importantly, a good vibrant atmosphere, ambience, which includes valuable flora and fauna, good trees on the campus, beautiful flowers, deer, peacocks. These are all also part of student life. A student does not study in isolation, and he is living in a community of students and under the influence of good teachers. It is also essential for the student to receive the care from not only the teachers but to live in the protection of the nature. So he has to protect nature and nature has to protect the student. तो अभी आप देखेंगे तो हैदराबाद सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी में स्टूडेंट्स प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं. I have always been pro students, and here we understand the feelings of the students who consider the varsity like their home, as their home. So they understand the importance of the ecology. The state government has no business in interfering in the lives of the students, whose fine futures are determined not only by the educational university in terms of teaching faculty and non-teaching faculty, but it's also greatly determined by the environment in which they are. And to be away from trees, to study in a barren environment, it's not possible. So Hyderabad Central University campus must be protected, and protecting the campus means not just protecting the students and the buildings and the teachers and the professors. It is equally important to protect the trees, flora and the fauna, the birds and animals on the campus. तो इसीलिए मैं अपना सपोर्ट देना चाहती हूँ हैदराबाद सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट्स को कि मैं आपके साथ हूँ. मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे अध्यापक लोग और शिक्षक लोग हमेशा जो प्रो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो आपका दर्द ज़रूर समझ रहे होंगे. सो वी आर ऑल इन फेवर ऑफ प्रोटेक्टिंग द कैंपस, एंड वी होप दैट द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट गिव्स अप द ऑक्शन ऑफ सेंट्रल वार्सिटी एरिया. इट्स अ क्राइम. This kind of action, bulldozer action, and auctioning of university campus green area, it is very cruel in multiple ways. One, they are mishandling and they are cruel to the green cover of the city. Hyderabad as it is, it's a dry city. It's a rocky place. There are not many plants there. It's not a forest area. It is not full of greenery. It's not a place filled with waterfalls. It is not, very blessed place by nature. No, when it is a dry place, you have only few lung spaces. कुछ ही जगह है जहाँ ग्रीन एरिया है, पेड़ पौधे हैं, पीकॉक्स हैं, मयूर है, डीर है, बाकी सब जानवर हैं, कुछ ही जगहों में है हैदराबाद में. और वो आप जो कार्य कर रहे हैं वो इतनी गलत बात है, क्योंकि आप स्टूडेंट्स को तो परेशान कर ही रहे हैं. वो तो उनका पढ़ाई में भी वो ध्यान नहीं दे पाएंगे, क्योंकि आप तो उनको प्रोटेस्ट करने वाले बच्चों को तो आप जेल में डालना चाहते हैं. ये तो गलत बात है. सेकेंडली, द स्टूडेंट्स कैन स्टडी वेल ओनली इन एटमॉस्फेयर वेयर देयर इज nice environment. Trees are part of the environment, animals, birds, everything is part of the environment. So you're also being cruel to the environment as it is, and you're also spoiling one of the few green covers of Hyderabad. ये सब चीज़ें हमको याद रखकर I request state government of Telangana to take steps and not auction the Central Varsity area, because money is not as important as giving a fine, happy future for students as well as protecting the environment. Human being cannot live in isolation. मनुष्य अपने आप से नहीं रह पाएगा, वो नेचर के साथ रहता है, वो प्रकृति के साथ रहता है, वो प्रकृति के अंग है मनुष्य. He cannot be a standalone person. Therefore, it is important to conserve nature, ecology, protect the environment, and especially so for the people of Hyderabad. I support the people of Hyderabad. I support Hyderabad. I support the Central Varsity students of Hyderabad. Hyderabad Central Varsity students. I request that they be given protection, that the varsity be not touched, and that the students are left peaceful and they are allowed to study properly, that the ecology is not disturbed. I thank you for giving me an opportunity to utilize my freedom of expression, and as I said, I once again extend my heartiest support to the students of Hyderabad Central Varsity campus in their righteous protest against the erring government, which wants to auction away more than 400 acres of ecologically rich land within the campus. They have no right to do so, and therefore I'm always pro students and I'm always pro what is right. So thank you once again. This is Adhyapak Dr. S. Padmapriya signing off. Lekak Padmapriya and author and as well as the educator. Thank you so much. Good wishes. Jai Hind.